What are you doing? Huh? Look what he's doing. Climbing there and taking things out of the box and throwing the floor. Here we go. Yeah, I can see that, Brady. He's a little lion. Ow. Okay, clean up, Brady. No, guys, I'm filming. I'm filming Brady. Look, he's a little piggy. He's a little piggy. Everybody's watching you, Brady. Look, all the kids. They're watching you. Okay, Chris. Can you let Brady do what he wants to do? Okay, Brady. Look what Brady's doing.
Right.
Evelyn, mira. Interesting, huh, guys?
Chris. Oh, Chris.
Brady, what are you doing? O que você tá fazendo? Brady, o que você tá fazendo? What are you doing, Brady? What are you doing? Huh? You gonna grab this for him? Grab that, Joe. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Thank you. Say thank you, Brady. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Okay. Okay, here he goes. You got more. Hi. Hi. Is that funny? Baby. It's a baby. You want to go there, Chris? And give him a big kiss? Big kiss and the baby. Big kiss. Chris, big kiss. And Brady, big kiss. Mwah. Oh, you're gonna help to make a mess too? Look all the toys. Took out of there. Now we have a helper. Have a helper, okay. Okay, I'm gonna get there and help.